Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into some amazing insights from this book right here. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hello and welcome to part 5. In the previous episodes, we learned how to recognize arguments and identify their types. Now it's time to talk about something just as important and far more common: logical fallacies. A logical fallacy is simply a mistake in reasoning. It's an argument that may sound convincing, emotional, or confident, but doesn't actually support its conclusion in a logical way. And the tricky part is this: fallacies often feel right even when they're wrong. We encounter logical fallacies everywhere, on social media, in advertisements, in political speeches, in debates, and even in everyday conversations. Learning to spot them is one of the most powerful skills in critical thinking. In this part, we focus on a major group called fallacies of relevance. These happen when the reasons given are not logically relevant to the conclusion. In other words, even if the premises are true, they don't actually support what's being claimed. For example, sometimes people attack the person instead of the argument. Sometimes they question someone's motives instead of addressing their reasoning. Other times they appeal to fear, pity, popularity, or emotions to distract us from the real issue. In all these cases, the argument shifts our attention away from evidence and logic. What makes these fallacies dangerous is that they often work psychologically. They push emotional buttons, trigger instincts, or exploit social pressure. That's why smart, well-educated people fall for them all the time. The goal here is not to win arguments or embarrass others. The goal is to think more clearly, judge arguments more fairly, and avoid being manipulated by others or by ourselves. In the next episode, Logical Fallacies, we'll continue exploring more fallacies and learn how to recognize them quickly and confidently in real-life situations. Stay with us. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.